Shunting. Movement of vehicle or vehicles with or without an engine or of any engine or self-propelled vehicle for the purpose of attaching, detaching, transfer or for any other purpose is known as shunting. Shunting is controlled by fixed signals or hand signals or by verbal orders. If signals are available and working, it can be taken off for shunting, or otherwise, all the points on the route shall be set correctly, clamped and padlocked, or cotter-bolted and padlocked. Shunting authorities on single line in multiple aspect signaling system. Shunting within station section, that is, between two shunting limit boards or advanced starters of the station or between two outermost facing points when there is no shunting limit boards or advanced starter, T806 instructions to be mentioned in the authority. In case shunting to be performed beyond advanced starter up to opposing first stop signal of the station towards expected train in token section T806, in tokenless section T806 and shunt key. Shunt key is a provision on single line block instrument. When removed, prevents the station master from obtaining or granting line clear on the block instrument. It cannot be removed in TCF position of the block instrument. In case when shunt key cannot be extracted at the station, station master shall inform the other end station master to remove his shunt key from the block instrument. Station master of other station after removing shunt key, shall give a private number to the station master performing shunting. In this case, station master shall give T806 plus private number. Shunting beyond first stop signal. Treated as a train movement. Line clear will be obtained. Starter and advance starter can be taken off. Reception can be done by taking off home signal. Authorities given to the loco pilot is T806 plus ATP plus memo to push back to the same station. Conditions for shunting in face of approaching train should be permitted in the SWR. Shunting warning board at an adequate distance to be provided beyond the home signal. Shunting to be performed only within station section, that is, between two shunting limit boards or advanced starters. Shunting on double line. On double line section, station section lies between outermost facing point to last stop signal of the station or block section limit board to last stop signal of the station. On double line section, the running line beyond last stop signal of the station in right direction is known as advance block section, and running line beyond BSLB or outermost facing point in wrong direction is known as rear block section. Authority to perform shunting within station section is T806. When shunting is to be performed in advance block section, when there are no train in the section, station master intending to perform shunting in the right direction beyond LSS shall block the forward section, that is, advise the station master in advance that the block section beyond LSS is to be obstructed for the purpose of shunting. Station master in advance shall permit the shunting by issue of one private number and operating the block instrument to TOL position. The rear station master shall authorize the loco pilot for performing shunting beyond LSS by either taking off shunt signal below the LSS if any, or LSS lever key, or T806 plus PN. PN issued by the advanced station master. After the shunting is completed, station master shall intimate the station master of advanced station, who shall operate the block instrument to line closed position. When shunting is to be performed in advance block section behind a train travelling away, performed only when it is permitted in station working rules of the station. The rear station master shall authorize the loco pilot for performing shunting beyond LSS by either taking off shunt signal below the LSS if any, or T806 without PN. On arrival of the train at the next station completely, the section shall be block forwarded immediately. That is, station master performing shunting shall intimate the station master in advance that the advance block section is obstructed. Station master in advance shall permit the shunting by issue of one private number and operating the block instrument to TOL position. After the shunting is completed, station master shall intimate the station master of advance station who shall operate the block instrument to line closed position. When shunting is to be performed in the rear block section, station master shall ask the permission for performing shunting in the wrong direction beyond BSLB or outermost facing point from the station master in rear. Station master in rear shall permit the shunting by issue of one private number. Station master performing shunting shall operate the block instrument to train on line position. The station master shall authorize the loco pilot for performing shunting in rear block section by issue of written authority T806 plus private number PN issued by the advance station master. After the shunting is completed, station master shall intimate the station master of rear station and operate the block instrument to line closed position.